Canonical Robots has participated in ARACOWELD Fund experiment titled Augmented Reality for Agile Collaborative Welding. In it, we have made use of KYKLOS for service named AR-based guidance and monitoring for production, for improving our welding system, WelderBot. WelderBot is an automated arc welding platform that comprises an Elfin series robot by Hans Robot, a dedicated WelderBot app on a tablet, and a range of welding equipment. The platform is compatible with multiple power source brands, including SAP, Fronius, and Weco. The ARACOWELD architecture uses two modules from KYKLOS: the AR-based content editor for contextual learning and the AR-based reconfiguration tool. The contextual learning experience with AR starts at an initial state that is activated by marker recognition. When the marker placed on the welding power source is detected, a set of elements appear on the screen. When we click on the robot, power source, or WelderBot image, the corresponding PDF documentation appears. The contextual documentation is very simple, at the point to give the operator a rapid grasp of the machine. Once we are in an augmented reality environment, after the detection of the power source marker, we can start the training by pressing the setup flag. This starts a sequence of steps that lead to the complete setup of the welding system. The AR-based reconfiguration tool is used to show a panel in augmented reality with the most important variables of the welding system. For this, we made a connection with this tool through a REST API. Once we open the Process AR Android app and the QR code is detected by the AR panels, it opens showing relevant real-time information. This panel condenses the relevant information for the operator. Finally, we saw the final ARACOWELD system.